Welcome, explorers. I'm Mrs. John.
Today we're going to make some flags out of Play-Doh. This is the flag of Moldova. In Moldova, they say buna, ziua. This is the flag of the Dominican Republic. In the Dominican Republic, they say, "Como tu ta?" This is the flag of Belarus. In Belarus, they say, "Pryvitanne."
Did you find my baby chick hiding in this video? Thank you for visiting me in my kitchen today. Please come back soon. Subscribe to my channel for new videos every weekday and Saturdays at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Please press the like button below this video. Have a lovely day.